来看美国有一个8岁查甫囡仔真激，这是趁伊老母无注意的时阵，用因老母的手机订7万支的糖仔签，等于是爱看超过大票12万。好佳在这边订单是有成功退货甲退钱。
何丽伫家己厝门口看到22箱棒棒糖插伫遐，真正差一点仔分去。要讲这是意外欢喜，不过伊是完全笑袂出来，因为这拢毋是伊订的。
Something just told me to look at my bank account.
Yeah.
I had just recently gotten paid and it was in the red. Of course, I just panicked, sheer panic. There was a $4,200 charge to Amazon. So immediately I went over to our Amazon app to see what had happened. And that's when I saw that Liam had ordered the 30 cases of Dum Dums.
后生承认伫算电话时阵订7万支棒棒糖，因为想要伫嘉年华活动的时阵分享。何丽发现还有8箱当地送过来的罗里，赶紧走一撮邮局成功摕到转去，不过已经送到厝门口的无法度摕。
Liam has fetal alcohol spectrum disorder. And so he does get to play on my phone as a reward or just for some downtime if he needs to work on his emotions or get just re-regulated.
何丽甲代志发生经过打伫社群媒体，表示亚马逊无要互退货，想要甲棒棒糖卖出去，无痛风1箱130美金，差不多大票4000块。虽然已经进棒棒糖的进度，表示用1天甲银行沟通，接受几间媒体的采访。亚马逊嘛打电话来，愿意退钱予伊。除了搁再感谢每一个愿意买棒棒糖的人。伊嘛为着以后莫阁受到这种意外，会甲手机的设定做改变。公司新闻黄云玲编译。